onboard of this biggest passenger airliner in the world on its first flight to the United States, to New York, John F. Kennedy.
Quiet, very smooth. It's a perfect ship.
Really wonderful. Huge.
It's very luxurious.
It was a very quiet takeoff. I enjoyed that. It feels bigger than I expected, and it was quieter than I expected, so very pleasurable.
So this is a plane for the future.
The A380 is part of the future of aviation, and one of the things that we're doing is preparing for that future. I found the aircraft not only to be a beautifully designed, but very quiet.
Oh, it's very nice, very comfortable.
You have, especially in this kitchen, you have much more space. Everything is very spacious, and it makes it easy to work, and everything is new, modern.
Cockpit was not too much of a change. Overall, it's a very familiar surrounding here in the cockpit.
I was actually surprised I could hear people talking 3 or 4 rows behind me, so we'll have to get used to the quiet. It's going to be quite a new experience in flying.